everyone, and welcome to English in Nest channel. I'm so happy to see you here today. How are you doing? I hope you're feeling good and ready to practice English together. In today's lesson, we will use the shadowing method. Maybe you've heard about it before. Shadowing means listening carefully and repeating immediately after. It's one of the best ways to improve your pronunciation, speaking confidence, and listening skills. Here's how we'll do it. I will say a sentence slowly and clearly. Then, there will be a short pause so you can repeat after me. Try to copy the rhythm, the pronunciation, and even the emotion in my voice. Don't worry if it's not perfect. With practice, you will get better every day. So, relax, listen carefully, and repeat with me. Are you ready? Great! Let's get started. I feel happy today. I feel sad sometimes. I am tired this morning. I want to rest now. I feel calm when I sit. I need some sleep. I drink water every day. I eat healthy food. I take a short walk outside. I sit in the sun for a while. I smile when I see my friends. I listen to soft music. I breathe slowly and deeply. I count to 10 when I feel nervous. I feel better after a nap. I write my feelings in a notebook. I draw simple pictures to relax. I drink tea to calm down. I stretch my arms and legs. I rest my eyes for a few minutes. I feel good after talking to a friend. I ask for help when I feel weak. I share my thoughts with my family. I call a friend when I feel lonely. I play with my pet to feel happy. I go outside for fresh air. I take a break when I feel tired. I listen to the birds singing. I enjoy watching the sunset. I relax when I see trees and flowers. I wake up early and feel fresh. I wash my face to feel awake. I eat breakfast to start my day. I drink water to stay healthy. I take a short walk every morning. I write down 3 good things about my day. I close my eyes and rest for 5 minutes. I light a candle and breathe slowly. I feel calm when I read a book. I enjoy drinking warm tea at night. I laugh when I watch funny videos. I dance to my favorite song. I clap my hands to feel awake. I stretch my body every morning. I do simple exercises at home. I practice yoga with easy moves. I sit quietly and think of good things. I imagine a calm beach in my mind. I smile in the mirror every morning. I tell myself, I am strong. I tell myself, I can do this. I believe in myself every day. I forgive myself for small mistakes. I say thank you for simple things. I feel grateful for my family. I feel thankful for my health. I thank my friends for their help. I remember happy moments. I think about good memories. I hope for a better tomorrow. I feel calm when I sit in silence. I take deep breaths before sleep. I read one page of a book at night. I listen to quiet music before bed. I drink warm milk in the evening. I make my bed in the morning. I open the window for fresh air. I water the plants every day. I feel better when my room is clean. I keep my desk tidy. I feel relaxed when I draw slowly. I color pictures to feel calm. I play a game with my friends. I call my family when I miss them. I take a shower to feel fresh. I change my clothes to feel new. I write a letter to myself. I say nice words to my friends. I send kind messages to people I love. I end my day with a big smile. I walk slowly when I need peace. I look at the sky and feel calm. I listen to rain sounds at night. I hear the wind and feel relaxed. I smell flowers in the garden. I touch soft pillows to relax. I feel good when I hug my family. I sit on the grass to rest. I enjoy the sound of the sea. I watch clouds moving in the sky. I pray or meditate to feel calm. I repeat kind words to myself. I focus on my breath to relax. I take one step at a time. I eat slowly and enjoy my food. I drink water when I feel stressed. I write one happy thought each day. I give myself time to rest. I talk kindly to myself. I feel stronger day by day. I smile when I wake up. I stretch before sleeping. I listen to my favorite song. I write about my day. I light a candle in the evening. I enjoy silence for a while. I hug my pillow and rest. I watch the stars at night. I close my eyes and relax. I think of good things before sleep. Great job today! You did amazing practicing shadowing with me. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural your English will sound. So don't stop here. Keep going! If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to explore the other videos on my channel. You'll find not only shadowing practice, but also simple English stories to help you improve step by step. And of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new lessons. Thank you for spending time with me today. I'm proud of you for practicing your English. Keep going, keep repeating, and keep improving. See you in the next video. Goodbye.